Hello guys, as I said, every day I take the trade, I will show you how I took it and what was the insight before I take the trade, what was every analyze about the trade. Yeah, and for here, Tuesday. It was Tuesday, and I took a buy on US 100 after I realized the SMT here and the break of structure right here, and even the 50% of retracement from Fibonacci right here. This was yesterday's trade, and as I said, after um, after making this 50% retracement from here, from the top to downward right here, we have to see the thing looks like this. Yeah, this is every move that you have to see when we see a Fibonacci, and when we see the price coming down from the top of the day to the 50% level of the Fibonacci, the price have to also goes back where it started, yeah, so that it will continue the trend. And this was the trade. Yesterday was the trade, and even for the Friday, it was the same idea about right here. Yeah, and let's break it down right here using G4X. As I told you, this trading platform is for free. Yeah, you can get it. Yeah, for here, let's break it down. Let's replay the prices up from here, from the starting of the day. And as I told you, the first thing to do is to mark up the trading zones from 9:30 to 11 right here. After marking up this trading session, you have to see the to get back and see how was the yesterday's price. Yeah, you have to take a Fibonacci from right here to here and see where the price comes from right here. If the price comes from right here and make something like this, so if it makes something like this, you expect to be doing something like this and reach up right here. Yeah, this is the thing that the price usually does. So let's play it out and see when the price give us the entry or give us the things that we want. As I told you, we play it, we let it play and see how it looks like. But for this, it will be going slow. Let me do like this. Yep, and continue. Like here, it break the yesterday's high, which is the thing we want. So if it breaks the yesterday's high right here, the second thing we want it's for the price to be going down again, like this. Like here, you can even search some trades. Like here, for sure you can get some trades, but as I told you, for the price, for me it's in uptrend, so I need the buys on only. I won't engage in selling. Yeah, this was the moves, and after this you see how the price made this movement right here. You see how is you see how this you see how this 15 candle rejected this level of 50 of 50 levels of Fibonacci. Yeah, after rejecting this, you have to come on 1 minute and see if you can get something which will shows the price it could be going up. Yeah, as I told you, the things that we want, it's like we have saw we saw a retracement. We saw a retracement. We want an SMT, and then after seeing SMT, we have to find FVG. After seeing FVG, we have also to find the visible break of structure, so that we can go with FVG and then enter in the trade. Yeah, let's play this out and see how this will go. Like as you see right here, this was the SMT. When you go on when you go on trading view, you see how it made this SMT right here. You see how it made an SMT right here. The US 100 cleared the low, but US 500 didn't clear the low. So this is indicating that the price is no longer needing to go down. It is likely to be getting up. When we switch on G4X, we saw that the price is likely to be going up. We want to see the break of structure right here. This was another low. We want an FVG right here. If we see an FVG, we enter through it. Like here, it will be something, but there's nothing in here. It could be, but it's very, very, very little. Look how it looks like, huh? It is very, very little. But no other way. We want to make a trade, so we go from here. If we like here, we already traded back into this, so we could buy right here. There's no problem. When we buy, we do like this and buy from here and put the stop loss. Stop loss could be right here, but for the best of the market, we can put it right here. Yeah, and then the TP has to be up to the high of the day. Yeah, for the price, when we use this return to reward ratio, it would be looking like this. Yeah, this was the trade. When I play it out, we will see how it will work. But for me, as I was in the trade, I took my price was right here. I ended up taking the trade into right here because I was needing something which is big, which is the serious move from here. And let's see how it plays out. This was 9:30. 9:30, where is it? No, at 8:30. 8:30 we have to see this move. Yeah, this is it. Yeah, this was the trade, and yeah, for this one was the trade. As I told you, when you see the thing which looks like this, and you see the price made this move from here to here, and that's the first thing you want to see. It's the price to come back into this Fibonacci right here, and then make an FVG, and then after making FVG, you will continue like this. This has to be your TP. Yep. And this move, it is always in the market. It is always in the market, especially on US 100 and US 500. This always happens in the market. And as you see, the risk to reward ratio, it's about 2 to 7. The risk to reward for yesterday, it was about to 8. Yeah, and this is every day it could happen. Yeah, but for the best, you could not, you could not force yourself into the thing that is not yet being shown. Yeah, the thing which is good right here, you have to see if the price made a low, made a high, and then come back to the retracement of the 50% of the day of yesterday, and then after you wait for the price to take your TP. Yeah, and that is it. Thank you guys for watching. Yeah, we'll see you in another time. Yeah, as I promised, every day I take the trade, I will show you everything and how it was looking like. Yeah, the trade was this one, as I told you. This was the trade. Even if I didn't enter right here, I was my money was I was like, things should I was waiting for the better setup right here. I was thinking that here will be another entry, as you see that this FVG didn't get anything. So I was thinking like here we will see another entry. Yeah, another entry which was about to which I was about to risk to reward ratio of 3, about 4. Yeah, and that was the trade. See you guys, and thank you for watching.